in case you need a coffee.
Jennifer, hello.
Hi, Jurgen. Another single-shot Americano for you?
Jennifer, yes please.
All right, single-shot Americano coming up.
Jennifer, turn on.
The machine is turning on.
Jennifer, make me an espresso.
Brilliant. Let me make a nice espresso for you.
Jennifer, what is the weather today?
Here is today's weather forecast. The forecast is clear sky with max temperatures of 20.9 and minimum temperatures of 15.9 degrees Celsius.
Jennifer, can I have the news today? Can I have the news today?
The headline on BBC News today: U.S. key interest rate highest since 2008. The U.S. Federal Reserve votes to raise its benchmark interest rate by 0.25%, the second rise this year.
Jennifer, play pop.
I have found Strip, Back Down by Liam Payne. Play it.
Jennifer, play Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
Here it comes.
Okay, plays it. Jennifer! Jennifer! Stop playing! Please!
Okay, I guess I'll stop.